Hey, what's up, y'all? I was gonna do a quick video before it gets dark out here. We're out here on the grill on Labor Day. Hope everybody's having a good Labor Day. Everything going good for y'all. With everything going on in the world today, you need all the good days you can get. But anyway, man, I just wanted to say happy Labor Day. I got everybody's orders coming, man. I'm working on right in the middle of several smokers right now. I'm fixing to get this food off over here. I've been waiting on this turkey. That turkey just hit 165. I know these ribs are done. I had some other stuff that I wanted to cook today, but I had too much stuff in the freezer to go buy some more stuff, so we kind of did a freezer clean out. That turkey. Some onions stuffed off in there. That's gonna be some good eating. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get this stuff wrapped up and let it rest for a few minutes. And that was about 4 hours in on this 30 by 18. I was in reverse flow. About 4 hours. I put them in at the same time, pulled them out at the same time. Did foil on that on those ribs for about 30, 45 minutes maybe. But anyway, man, like I say, I hope y'all had a happy Labor Day. I got some videos coming. I think I just got one up of that 40-inch reverse flow. I got some more, a couple of tips that I'm gonna do videos on. And then, who knows, man, a whole bunch more stuff. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And y'all come back for the next one. We'll see you then.